So, hey guys, welcome back to Neat Eat, and this is my what I eat in a day. So, for breakfast, I started off with an English breakfast and I had some vegan sausages. These sausages are the Richmond sausages, and I've never tried them before, but spoiler alert, they were really good. They actually come with like a little recipe card on the front, which I thought was really cute. If you don't know what to if you don't know what to do with them, it gives you some ideas. But anyway, I just cooked them on a pan with a little bit of sunflower oil that got really hot. This took way longer than I thought it would. On the instructions it said it took like 20 minutes, but it took maybe like 15-20 minutes just to get like to a nice color. But yeah, after that was done, I just took them off the pan and replaced it with some vegan bacon. So this is it's called this. And yeah, I've had this before. I've shown it in another what I eat in a day, and it's really good. This is like, we buy it all the time, so I definitely recommend this one. This cooks way quicker than the vegan sausages. They take like 5 minutes. You just flip them over. But yeah, once that was done, I then put in some tomatoes into the pan. I just sliced it up and then I cooked them on there for again like 5 minutes. So then I had some baked beans. You can't have an English breakfast without baked beans. I love having them for breakfast, or even like for lunch, or even dinner. So they just make a great addition. Everything onto the plate, and of course I had to have a buttered bagel. Basically have bagels for breakfast, like whenever I have like a savory breakfast. Then for a snack, I decided to have some popcorn. I always have popcorn as a snack. It's got a lot of fiber in it, it's very low calorie, and it has a lot of volume, so I definitely recommend trying popcorn if you like to snack during the day. This was one that my mum made actually, so we just started off with the kernels, and then you can make it yourself and you can flavor it however you like. And you can see, I was trying to show you guys how big the bowl was. It was a lot of popcorn, but I got through it very easily. So now it's time for the world's best banana bread. This is so good. If you're going to make something from this what I eat in a day, make this. So to start off, I just have 3 like really ripe bananas, and then I mash them and then I put them in a bowl. These were really ripe, obviously, because you want them to have a lot of sugar in them. And then to that I added 75 grams of sunflower oil and then 100 grams of brown sugar. Once I added that, all you have to do is just mix that all up. Make sure it's really well mixed. And then to that mixture you want to add 225 grams of plain flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. It sounds like a lot, but I thought it was too much, but then when I added it, it worked out in the end. And then 3 teaspoons of cinnamon or mixed spice, and then you can add like nuts or fruit, like dried fruit if you want, but I didn't. So yeah, after that you just want to mix it all up. So you have that all mixed up, you then want to pour the mixture into a baking tin. You're supposed to obviously put it in like a bread tin, but we don't have one, so I just used a cake tin and it turned out fine. In the recipe it says to put it in for like 20 minutes, but it took way longer than that, so we just kept it in for 5 minutes at a time, and then I would just put a knife in the middle to check that it was done. Then finally, after about 15 more minutes, it was done. I'm going to take it out of the oven, let it cool down for a bit, and then I had some. So in the end I had not 1, not 2, but I had 6 slices of this stuff. This stuff is so good. All I did was I put a little bit of butter on it, and then yeah, I had that basically as kind of like my lunch/dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for making it to the end. If you like the video, don't forget to like, and you can comment down below and maybe even subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.